Well, it's about 30 inches. I had about 34 on my deck. The streets are, you can see 2 feet, 3 feet high. Businesses were shut down. We didn't have school, second day in a row. So I think we got hit really hard. People are still waiting to get plowed out. A friend of mine had to wait for 36 hours to get a plow, and they're like 72 years old. So it's a little tight.
We were hit hard. So it's probably the worst storm we've had in the last 20 years that I've been here. And we had a good amount of snow. A lot of the businesses were kind of closed because they weren't ready for it, and they're mostly like restaurants and things like that, where they have to have a crew come in and clean up so they can get in. So and a lot of people couldn't make it in.